chapter 5a. Related examples, example number 1 to 11 I have given, which is very easy for you, and with the help of these examples we will try to solve all exercise questions. Here the first question is, write each of the following in power notation. Question number 1, 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7. Here 5 by 7 has come 4 times. So you will write it here, 5 by 7 to the power 4. This one the answer. Very simple. And the same question. Now minus 4 by 3. This one minus 4 by 3. And how many times it has come? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here you will write down 5. This one the simplification, and it's a very easy question for you. See the another question. Question number 2. Express each of the following in power notation. Question 1. 25 by 36. We have 25 by 36. So 5 into 5 by 6 into 6. 5 has come 2 times. So 5 square by 6 square. And you will write down 5 by 6 to the power 2. 5 by 6 square. The another question, minus 32 by 243. As we know, take the prime factorizations of 32, 2 of 16, 8, 4 and 2. Minus 2 into, minus 2 into, minus 2 into, minus 2 into, minus 2 by 243, 3 of 3 8 ja 24 and 3 1 ja 3 27 ja 3 9 ja 3 3 ja. Also 3 has come 5 times. Now what we have seen, minus 2 has come 5 times and 3 also has come 5 times. So take the 5 as a common, and here the notation is 5. So minus 2 by 3 to the power 5. This one the simplification. This one the answer of this one. This question. Again, in next question, question number 3, express each of the following as a rational number. What is a rational number? As we know it, such a number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q is called rational number. So 2 by 3 to the power 5. It means 2 has come 5 times. It means 2 to the power 5 by 3 to the power 5. So 2 has come 5 times. By 3 also has come 5 times. Here what we have seen, if 3 has come 5 times, the product of 3 is 243. 32 by 243. This one the 32 by 243 is in a rational number. Now next one, minus 3 to the power 4 by 2 to the power 4. So minus 3 will be multiplied it here 4 times, by 2 also it will be multiplied it here 4 times. 3 3 are 9, 9 9 are 81, and it becomes plus 81, because minus minus plus, plus minus minus, or minus minus plus. As we know, if negative integers will be multiplied here, even times, the answer will be positive. And when the negative integer will be multiplied by odd times, the answer will be negative. 2 2 ja 4, 4 ja 16, and 81 by 16 is the rational number of this question. Thus, both questions have completed. Here the next question, express each of the following as a rational number. This one, 4 to the power minus 1. As we know, if any integers have the negative exponent, so that time it will be written like this one, 1 by 4. Just it will be written as a reciprocal of it, 1 by 3 to the power minus 1. Here it will be written 3 by 1 to the power 1, and as we know, 1 is always laying in the place of denominator, so no need to write here. Thus, the rest questions you will have to do so. In next question, question number 5, find the reciprocal of each of the following. 3 by 8 to the power 4. Here we have to write the reciprocal. It means 8 by 3 to the power 4. This one the reciprocal. Reciprocal, it means numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. The another questions, minus 5 by 6 to the power 11. Minus 6 by 5 to the power 11. This one the reciprocal of it. Here minus remain in the same place. 5 by 6 will be written as 6 by 5. Thus, both questions have solved. In question number 6, find the value of each of the following. We have to find out the value of 8 to the power 0. As we know, 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. How? This one the questions real in our mind. How any integers have the exponent 0, the value of this exponent, the value of this integer is 1. Suppose if 8 has the value to the power 4, it is divided by also by 4. Then, as we know, in division the exponent will be subtract. So 4 minus 4 and 8 to the power 0. So the answer is 1, because 8 to the power 4 by 8 to the power 4, both will be cancelled and the answer is 1. Thus, we say in any integers have the exponent is 0, the value of this number is 1. In next question, 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This one the answer of it. In next question, simplify each of the following and express each as a rational number. Here only we have to simplify this question, as we have 2 by 3 to the power 5 into minus 3 by 7 to the power 3. Here minus 2 by 3 into 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 minus 2 by 3. Here it is written, and again minus 3 by 7 into minus 3 by 7 into minus 3 by 7. When we will multiply it, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, minus 32, because 2 has come 5 times and 5 is an odd number, so the answer is in negative. 3 3 ja 9, 9 9 ja 81, 81 3 ja 3, 240 this one, and again one thing I have committed here mistakes. If 3 will be cancelled by 3, 3 will be cancelled by 3 and 3 will be cancelled by 3. So it will be minus 32 into minus 1. And here 3 3s are 9, 9 into 7 7 are 49, 49 into 7, 7 9 are 63, of 3 in hand 6, 7 4 are 28 plus 6 43. 34, sorry. 343. 343. 32 into minus 32 into minus 1 is equal to plus 32, and when you multiplied it by 9, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36 plus 2 38 in hand 3, 9 3 ja 27 plus 3 30. Your answer is 3087, and this one as a form of a rational number. When we simplify it, we will get this number, and this one the answer of this question. Here, question number 7 of the another question, 5th. Solutions. Minus 3 by 4, it will be multiplied it here 3 times, and minus 5 by 2, it also will be multiplied it by 3 times, and 4 square. This one the question which I have written. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, minus 27 by 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, minus 5 has come 125 by 2 has come 3 times, 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8, and 4 4 ja 16. Here when we simplify it, minus 27 by 64 minus, in your question this one the minus or division? Yes, minus. Minus minus plus, and here we will write down, and under bracket then write down 16. Take the LCM of it. 64 minus 27 plus 1 8 8 ja 64 and 125 into 8. 8 5 ja 40, 12 8 ja 96 plus 400. 1000 into 16. When you subtract 10 minus 7 3, this one 9, 9 minus 2 7, and here it becomes 9 into 64 by 16, 16 4 ja, and 973 by 4. This one the simplification, this one the answer of it. So such a way you will solve the rest 3 questions. 2 questions I have solved, and the rest 2 questions you will have to solve. In question number 8, simplify and express each as a rational number. Here we will see 4 by 9 to the power 6 and 4 by 9 to the power minus 4. Means 4 by 9 in both places. So this one the base. 4 by 9 is the base, and their relation is multiplication. So 6 plus minus 4. 4 by 9 to the power 2. When you simplify it, 6 minus 4, simply you will do 6 minus 4. So that time 4 by 9 to the power 2. and 4 4 ja 16 and 9 9 ja 81. This one the answer of it. So simplify and express each of a rational number, and 16 by 18 is the form of a rational number. In next question, express each of the following as a rational number. Minus 2 to the power minus 5. Here it means, as we know, as minus 2 to the power 1 to the power minus 5, the reciprocal of this number is minus 1 by 2 to the power 5. When we do as a reciprocal of this given fraction, the exponent will be in positive form. So 1 minus 1 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5. It means the answer is 1 and this one the 32. If minus 1 will be multiplied with 5 times and negative integer have the exponent is in odd number, the answer will be negative. And here this one the positive, so 2 will be multiplied with 5 times, so 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, and this one the answer of it. Another question, minus 3 to the power minus 1 into 1 by 3 to the power minus 1. Write it the reciprocal of it. It means minus 1 by 3 into 3. The reciprocal of it, and 3 will be cancelled, and your answer is minus 1. So this one the answer of it. Question number 9 of question number 9. 9 of 9. Here 3 by 2 to the power minus 1 divided minus 2 by 5 to the power minus 1. The given fraction have the exponent is minus 1. It means write down the reciprocal of it. 2 by 3 divided by minus 5 by 2. 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 5. 2 2 ja 4, minus 4 by 3 5 ja 15, and this one the answer. So nothing else, as we know, here it is given in a fraction division, and we do the very simple process, but only the negative exponent is given, that's why we will do the simple way. And the next question, question number 10, simplify. Here simplify. We have minus 1 by 4 to the power 2. And minus 2, then power minus 1. This one the question. So you may do in two ways. Minus 1 will be multiplied 2 times, so 1 by 16, and here 2, then power minus 1. Reciprocal of this number, 16 by 1, and the power is 2, and then the exponent is minus 1. 16 16 ja 256, and the power is minus 1. It means 1 by 256. This one the answer. But if we try to do in another way, or we write down the question, then minus 1 by 4 to the power 2 into minus 2 into minus 1. As we know, the exponent will be multiplied whenever the exponent upon exponent. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. So So minus 1 by 4 to the power 4. 1 will be multiplied 4 times. So the answer is 1, and 4 will be multiplied by 4 times. So the answer is 100, 256. In both cases, we will get the same answer. Hope this is very interesting and easy questions. Only you have seen in a very first look, it is difficult. But whenever you will try to do, it is very simple questions, very easy questions for you. Now the another. We have seen in both places minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 is the base, and the work we will do as a division. So minus 3 by 2 to the power 3 divided by minus 3 to the power 2 by 6. Minus 3 by 2, 3 minus 6. Minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 3. And minus 2 by 3, reciprocal, write down the reciprocal of this given number, and the exponent will become a positive. So minus 2 will be multiplied it here 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, and 3 also it will be multiplied 3 times. The answer is minus 8 by 27, and this one the answer of it. Thus rest questions is very easy and you will try to do. Now I have in this video I have given you question number 1 to 10. In another video I will give you only 5 questions, because all 5 questions are difficult and you will solve all questions by yourselves. Hope you do it very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.